Welcome. In front of me is a Google Pixel 5a, and today I will show you how you can enable your power saving mode on this device. To get started, you want to pull down your notifications, extend the list, and in here you will find on one of the pages power saving mode, or as it's exactly called here, battery saver. So once you see this toggle, simply press on it. It will light up in green. Also, it will make the outline of your battery be red, just to indicate that it is right now enabled, the battery saver. And Google decided not to give you any kind of notification about what this actually does, unfortunately. So I'm just gonna try to guess from other devices what they most likely do, what this one most likely does. But like I said, it's just a guess, educated one, but it could be wrong. So power saving mode or battery saver typically lowers down things like refresh rates, visual effects, what else? Turns on dark theme, though it's already in dark mode right here. And probably the more important thing that it does is lower down the brightness, though I don't think it happened right here. So you can do that yourself, which will give you a decent battery boost if you want to. And additionally, and probably the most important one, is the fetching of emails and stuff like that. So what it actually does, which usually it's not described in a very great way, just tells you that it might affect mail fetching. So what it actually does is disconnects from Wi-Fi and mobile data when the device is in sleep mode. And just to kind of clarify, this would be sleep mode. So after a couple of minutes, it goes to actual sleep mode, disconnects from Wi-Fi, mobile data, and because of that, you won't be receiving notifications from apps that require any kind of internet connection. So those apps, just to name a few, would be things like Gmail, Facebook, Messenger, WhatsApp, and so on. So there's obviously a lot of apps that require internet connection to give you any kind of notifications if someone sends you a message. So those apps will be affected by power saving mode. Though it could be that the phone will reconnect occasionally from every, for instance, 10 minutes just to see if it's missing something. So keep that in mind. I'm only pointing this out if you have a massive problem where you just realize that you're super behind, hours behind of notifications when they were delivered to you. If you see this problem, then it is most likely power saving mode. If you don't, if it's being delivered in a reasonable time, then you don't have to worry about it. Google decided to probably optimize it in a little bit better way. But anyway, once you're done with your power saving mode, you can simply turn it off by finding the toggle once more and just tapping on it. And there we go, it's now off. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.